After nearly 7 years, Chinese President Xi Jinping is preparing to return to North Korea for a 2-day state visit next week, marking one of the most closely watched diplomatic developments in Northeast Asia this year. The visit comes at a particularly significant moment. In recent years, Xi has hosted both US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin in Beijing, while continuing to navigate growing geopolitical competition across the region. What makes this trip even more notable is its rarity. Since the COVID 19 pandemic, Xi has dramatically reduced his international travel. His decision to personally visit Pyongyang suggests that China sees urgent strategic value in strengthening ties with North Korea. Analysts believe that Beijing's primary objective is clear: reassert its influence over a country that has increasingly moved closer to Moscow. Over the past 2 years, North Korea and Russia have deepened military and political cooperation, with Pyongyang reputedly supplying troops and conventional weapons in support of Russia's war in Ukraine. However, despite its growing partnership with Moscow, North Korea continues to rely heavily on China. Beijing remains the country's largest trading partner and its most important source of economic assistance. Adding another layer of complexity, North Korea revealed what experts believe could be a new uranium enrichment facility just one day before Xi's visit was announced. While the facility has not been independently verified, many observers see the timing as deliberate. According to regional experts, Kim Jong un may be attempting to reinforce North Korea's status as a nuclear weapons state before entering future negotiations. The long term objective appears to be securing sanctions relief and eventually shifting international discussions from denuclearization to arms reduction. Meanwhile, China and Russia continue to provide diplomatic protection for Pyongyang at the United Nations. Both countries has repeatedly blocked US-led efforts to impose tougher sanctions on North Korea's missile and nuclear programs. In a recent statement, Xi and Putin also voiced opposition to economic sanctions and external pressure against North Korea. Taken together, these developments point toward a broader strategic realignment. Kim Jong un appears increasingly committed to building partnerships with nations challenging US influence, while China seeks to ensure that North Korea remains firmly within its own sphere of influence. Xi Jinping's upcoming visit may last only 2 days, but its geopolitical consequences could resonate far beyond the Korean peninsula.